Enzymes by Chan Wook Kwak. What are enzymes? Enzymes are proteins that works as a catalyst for either the build-up or the breakdown of substrates to each enzymes. Every enzyme has its optimum temperature and pH, and when it goes off from its optimum temperature or pH, the original shape of the enzyme denatures, which changes the shapes of its active site, which is specific to each and every one of its substrates. Roles of enzymes in the germination of plants and biological washing products. In the germination of plants, enzymes are used to break down food stores inside the seeds. For example, protein is broken down into amino acids and then built up again into new proteins for the cell walls or the cytoplasm. Then amylase breaks down starch into maltose, which is then broken down into glucose to be used in the cellulose of the cells or the respiration of the plant itself. In biological washing products, enzymes are used to break down the staining material. For example, proteins break down protein molecules such as hemoglobin that might be found in blood stains. And lipase breaks down fat molecules into fatty acids and glycerol. Now this is very useful for washing the stain, as both fatty acids and amino acids are soluble in water, which means they can be washed off very easily than in protein or fat state. Role of microorganisms. Enzymes are obtained from microorganisms by being grown inside large containers, also called as fermenters, in which they are supplied with a suitable environment which may contain a desirable temperature, pH, and nutrients for the microorganism to grow. And now these growing microorganisms release the desired enzymes in a form of a liquid. However, this liquid state enzymes require purification and treatment before it can be used properly and effectively and safely. The fungus Penicillium is used in the process of producing the antibiotic penicillin. Similarly to microorganisms used for growing the enzymes, it is grown in a fermenter or as a container where it is supplied with carbohydrates and amino acids. They are then stirred with the penicillin that they release in so that the fungi may be rolled up into pellets for it to be easier to separate from the penicillin later. This process of production continues for a week, when then the liquid is treated so that it has a higher concentration of penicillin than other materials that they don't want. The key role of the fungus Penicillium in the production is that it enables the mass production of the antibiotic in a reasonably smaller space and faster time rate than in nature. Thank you for watching this video on enzymes made by me, Chan Wook.